Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes SSD NVMe not showing up in File Explorer in Windows 11, 10 fix. First method is right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Create new simple volume and format. Second method is right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Change drive letter. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Enable SSD or NVMe device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.